What's happening, YouTube? It's your man, your brother, More Motivation. Today I'm going to discuss how to be productive.
Are you not entertained? Is this not why you're here?
So, the first thing you need in order to be productive is to have a goal in mind. If that's a short term or a long term goal. So, you have to have a clear cut vision to what you want, and the rest is going to come. Right? So, you got to have a mission statement, and then the how to, and everything else will come after that. All right, the second one is you have to create more opportunities. What do I mean when I say that? So, a lot of people have excuses on time, have excuses on not having enough money, have excuses on not having enough resources and things like that. So, one way to solve the time problem is waking up early. So, I have more time to create more opportunities to get specific tasks done, to create more financial help, saving more money when you get paid, saving 10% of each paycheck, right? Or get more resources, using the internet, using your phone for good things, right? So finding a way to create more opportunities, right? The third one is actually doing it. Actually doing it. Once you have your goals, once you have a lot of opportunities to do it, you have to get started by doing it. So as soon as you wake up in the morning, make sure you're doing something productive first. Whether if that's making your bed, whether if that's getting your kit ready for the day or getting your stuff ready for the day, right? And what that'll do is it gets you it gets you feeling accomplished. It gets you feeling like, okay, I did something, which gives you a boost for the day. It gives you momentum, right? So you want to start off great. So you all want to start off good in order to continue that process throughout the day, right? And another thing to help you be more productive, right, is to complete as many tasks as possible within that first hour of the day, right? So this means no distractions. So we're going to call this step no distractions. So we have cell phones, we have computers, TVs, and things like that. So make sure the beginning of your day, you're away from your phone, you're away from your gadgets and things like that, because you do not want to flood your system with dopamine, especially that early in the day. You do not want to flood your body with instant gratification that early in the day. You want to be as focused as possible, right? So music, cell phone, social media, things like that, stay away from it your first hour of the day. And what that'll do is you'll be bored, right? So you will have to do something productive, right? So make sure the first hours of your day is not on your cell phone, not on the TV, not listening to music, right? Being as productive as possible. So in replacement of that, you could be taking a shower, you could be making your bed, you could be listening to affirmations, you could be listening to a TED Talk, you could be listening to podcasts. So whenever you spend time away from these things that flood our body with so much dopamine, you are forced to be productive, right? So these are my 4 things that are really, really good that could get you started. And from there, you can really, really go far if you're consistent, right? So we're going to go over it. So the first one is having a clear-cut goal direction, a map basically on what you want to do, whether if that's short term, whether if that's long term. The second one is, I guess, creating more opportunities. So if you're short on time, just waking up early. If you're short on money, saving more money. If you have no resources for information, making sure you use your gadgets, right, for better purposes. What was the third one? The third one is actually, Jesus Christ, why can I remember the third one? It'll come back to me. It'll come back to me.
Few moments later.
Doing it? I'm doing it. And the fourth one is eliminating distractions. Okay, so the third one is doing it, and the fourth one is eliminating distractions, right? Especially when you're always checking your cell phone first thing in the morning, listening to your music and watching TV. So those two kind of go together. So making sure that there's not a lot of distractions, making sure that you're doing the most important things to begin your day, to give you momentum, right? To get you more productive that day, right? And these 3 to 4 steps are gonna help you be more productive. Okay, thank you for coming to the video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. There's a lot of value given to you in my YouTube channel. Subscribe, share it with your friends, right? Make sure to click the notification bell for when videos are coming. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.